Oh, right. Good sweet tea. Hey, listen, this is the Rokon build number 2. So just a brief recap. So I sold the Springer to Charlie after it was finished. Then Charlie asked me to rebuild a Rokon motorcycle for him. And I'd never heard of them. So his family had 2 of them since 1975. That's been in the family since that time. Well, he did not, he says, listen, I can't really, if you rebuild this one for me, I'll give you the other one. Okay, so the one I'm rebuilding now was the Roller. So that's a little brief recap. The Roller was kind of like a parts bike for Charlie's bike. So the Rokon that Charlie has now, the Charlie bike, that was a Mox Nix of parts from the Roller, and put everything together to make the one good bike. So the Roller had a bad engine. It needed a lot more work. And I'll tell you, if it wasn't for Mike Murphy up in Virginia, man, I don't know what I'd have done. He's amazing. I mean, all of the knowledge and the parts and whatnot that I've gotten from him it's been fantastic. So I'm on Rokon build number 2. So I've got like several videos I'm going to pump out tonight, and it's of course like we've done before, like a little progression, and we're gonna follow this out. And then the next set of videos, I think, will probably be more of a completion, ready to go type of video, because it's progressed quite a bit in the past couple of days. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all for very, very, very much for hanging in there and watching these things, and appreciate you. Greetings, everybody. I think I am ready to start the assembly in earnest. I just got a little parts dump from Mike. So let's go over that real quick. I got a headlight assembly number plate. That's gonna be a nice little addition. I mentioned before that the axle was bent, so I got a new axle. And there's the nut. They're on the brakes. They're not brake pads. They call these pucks, and they're like a metallic little brake pad thing. I got the new brake shoe the other day from eBay. And this is where the puck goes. This is the front brakes. So I got a cart full of parts that have been cleaned and ready to go. So let's talk about the frame. I mentioned to you before that I was gonna have it sandblasted, and I was gonna paint it myself. I took it to the sandblaster, the place where I normally get things powder coated, and I said, hey, listen, just sandblast it for me. So and they said, well, it might be 2 weeks. I said, okay, that's fine. So I go back, and I was like, I tried calling them, and I got busy, and I let it go maybe 3 weeks or so, about. So I go back to the business, and I said, hey, listen, where's my frame? And they said, oh, it's still over there. So they haven't even touched it. It was there 3 weeks, they hadn't even touched it. So I found another powder coat guy, and I took it to him, and I said, can you blast it? And he says, I can have it done in 2 weeks. Blasted, powder coated, everything. So I said, all right, just go ahead and do it, man. And so that's one less thing I had to do was paint. So frame's been powder coated, and I may have mentioned that before, but I got a fresh pair of modern shocks for the rear. I got a brand new seat cover. That thing fits beautiful. That's very, very nice. So fenders, that brake caliper is on. Brake master cylinder is on for the rear. I got to paint the front lowers. These have just been rebuilt. I want to paint these. So I'm going to start with this and get it going and get the assembly going. I think I'm ready to start putting everything together. The one major thing that I don't have right now that I do need to get is a chain. And then I'll pick that up pretty soon. Other than that, man, I am so close, and we're going to start assembly, and this thing's going to start flying together. And stay tuned, because it's going to be hopefully maybe a week, and this thing will be ready to rock. Appreciate you. Good day, everyone. This thing is absolutely coming together. Pretty cool, man. Brand new tires, tubes, wheels powder coated, brand new brakes, engines installed, brand new bars, brand new grips, brake master cylinder for the front, brand new throttle cable, air cleaner, painted, brand new brakes in the rear, brand new shocks, tires, brand new chain, rear brake master cylinder. Every detail is being attended to here. There, of course, are little bitty snags along the way, but we're managing it. Painted the front lowers. This originally was the roller, if you remember from previous videos. I did get the frame powder coated. I may have mentioned that before. This thing is getting really, really close. I've got some new exhaust mounts, isolators. I'm gonna have to drill them. And of course the seat is beautiful. So we're going to continue on. I've got a few little things I got to get done tomorrow. Let's look at this. I had these hoses made for the brakes. This one is for the rear. It's leaking right there. I'm gonna take it back and get it done. This one is for the front. It's too short, so I got to get it made again. So looking forward here. New belt, cover's been painted. This is for the transmission. This has been fixed. I got new foot pegs. The tank still has to be done. That'll probably be the last thing I do. There's a lot of mechanical stuff yet to do. And of course the headlight cover. This guy here is really, really cool, man. So extremely awesome update. Very, very cool. So when this one's done, we're gonna put it on the block and sell it. So there you go, anybody interested? Hey man, thanks so much. I'm gonna put this all together tonight and send out a bulk email, or excuse me, a bulk video. We're gonna get this out there so everybody can see it. Appreciate everybody very much. Thank you for keeping up. See you later.